the channel. Today we're going to do another jar with alcohol inks this time. As soon as I got these jars, I wanted to try out this with alcohol inks, but I kind of messed up a little bit and it got a little muddy, but it turned out okay. I probably should have filled the molds up halfway with the resin and then did the alcohol drops. Next time I'm probably going to try it that way instead of filling the mold all the way to the top, and then maybe it'll turn out a little bit better. Right now I'm using my electric stirrer, which I purchased off Amazon. However, you can also get it off Temu. This one is a really good stirrer. It does low, medium, and high. You could also set it where it'll stir by itself. It has a little stand that goes with it. But it just helps out your hands. Make sure that your hands don't cramp and stuff like that when you're using the stirrer. Now I still use stir sticks, but for the heavy lifting I always use my stirrer. Right now I'm using my mixed resin to fill up the molds so I can start dropping my alcohol inks into the mixture. Right now I'm about to drop my alcohol inks into the mixture. This one is Sunshine Yellow. The next one is Purple Twilight. I also have Watermelon, which is a red. And I have Mermaid and Turquoise. I also have Peach. I don't know what the last word is, but it's peach. And the black, which is a sinker, also like the white, is a sinker. It helps to make the pigment or the ink go all the way to the bottom of the mold. I was trying to add the black, but it kind of got too much in there because when I turned it over, it kind of just started dropping in there like that. Which is another reason why my project turned out so muddy, because it kind of overpowered the other colors that I dropped inside the mold. This is the Blanca Blanca, which is the white, and it's also a sinker just like the black I mentioned before, and that's my pipette, what I'm using to drop the ink inside to help move the ink around. Okay, you guys, if you're liking this video up to this point, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Let me know, what do you think about this project and what you think my next project should be. This is my third time using this mold, but I've recently purchased some more molds from Temu, which I will have an updated haul video in the next coming weeks. I don't know if you guys can see this at this point, where the resin is kind of around the rim and it's not really sinking to the bottom. Maybe I should have waited a little bit to see, was it going to sink a little bit more, but I think it just would have stayed at the top if I didn't stir it. But like I said, next time I'm going to try a different method and see will it sink at the bottom if I just put half of the resin in there and then add the drops and then come on the top with another layer of resin and see how it turns out, because this was a complete experience for me. I just was dropping it in there trying to see how this was going to work, because I've never did alcohol ink in a mold like this. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling and let the video just play at this point, because this is all I'm gonna be doing, dropping it, and then I'll be demolding it at the end. Okay, here comes the big reveal. Right now I'm spraying alcohol to help to release the jar from the mold. I'm just kind of pulling the mold away from the jar and letting the alcohol sink down to the bottom so I can get the mold off easily. Okay, guys, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? What do you think about the jar lid? I think I put less black inside the jar lid, and so that's why it turned out a little bit better. And I did not stir that one, but I stirred the bottom, which, like I said, I think they both turned out great. But the next time I will not stir it, and I will pour half of the resin in there and then see how it does. Thank you guys again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications and let me know what the next video should be. I'll see you in the next one.